a little blue heron, common gallinules, and a snowy egret demonstrate their unique behavior in the wetlands of the refuge.
The little blue herons primarily use a slow, stealthy walk-and-wait method in shallow water, stalking prey like small fish, frogs, and crustaceans with patient, deliberate steps, then striking quickly with their sharp bill. Common gallinules, also called moorhens, are indeed part of the rail family, Rallidae, and they are common year-round residents in the wetlands and marshes of coastal South Carolina, easily spotted due to their distinctive red and yellow bill, red forehead shield, dark body, and white side stripe, acting like ducks on water but walking on marsh plants.
Rallidae is the scientific family name for a diverse group of small to medium-sized, secretive, often marsh-dwelling birds.
Common gallinules swim like ducks but also walk on floating vegetation using their long toes, flicking their tails to show white feathers. Their diet: eat seeds, arthropods, and aquatic plants.
A snowy egret gave a master class on its foraging methods. Snowy egrets forage in shallow, watery areas like marshes, ponds, swamps, tidal flats, and lake edges, actively hunting small fish, frogs, crustaceans, and aquatic insects by walking, running, stirring the bottom with their bright yellow feet. snowy egret demonstrate their unique behavior in the wetlands of the refuge.